Ladies and gentlemen, I once had a neighbor named Pete who bought a bread truck and turned it into a camper. He painted "Adventure Awaits" on the side and then never left his driveway. Meanwhile, someone else out there turned a real legend into the road trip machine of dreams. And today, we're talking about it. The 1977 GMC Kingsley 26-foot motorhome. Not your uncle's RV, unless your uncle was a NASA engineer with a soft spot for disco carpeting. Now, back to the Kingsley. This isn't just a gray and white fiberglass and aluminum machine from the 70s. This particular GMC rig got the royal treatment. In 2008, it received a full replacement frame courtesy of Cinnabar Engineering in Sandusky, Michigan. Power? Oh yeah, it's running an Oldsmobile 403 Ci V8. That's 6.6 liters of classic American grunt, delivering its force to the front wheels through a 3-speed Turbo-Hydramatic 325 automatic transmission. The whole powertrain was rebuilt by Mondello Performance Products and dropped in like a crown jewel. With an air-adjustable rear suspension and power brakes, I believe this thing could glide smoother than a politician's excuse. Inside, it's like stepping into a retro lounge from a Bond movie. Swivel chairs, wood grain everywhere, and a Sony flat-screen monitor that's probably more modern than half the jokes I tell. I think what I liked the most was the lounge setup. A sofa, foldable table, and swivel chairs that look like they've hosted serious poker games and maybe one awkward date. The kitchenette offers a 2-burner propane cooktop, composite countertops, a microwave, and a fridge-freezer combo. You've also got a full wet bath with a vanity, sink, and shower, not a bucket and curtain situation like Timmy's van. There's even dual roof-mounted AC units and a Honda generator with just 545 hours. The mileage? 52,000 miles, 83,685 kilometers, with around 22,000 added by the current owner. The real kicker? It was sold for $32,000, about 29,700 euros, on June 12, 2025. That's a steal for this level of retro elegance. And just like that, this 26-footer went from vintage shelf queen to roadworthy cruiser. Pete, if you're watching this, it's time to let go of the bread truck dream. Sold by Gliplamek to Hankster 2 for USD $32,000. June 12, 2025.